So many people, so they earn their money. Hi, this is Doreen Velin from in San Pancho. It's our San Francisco. It's just north of Sayulita in Nayarit in Mexico. And this is a real day of real entrepreneurship in Mexico. Thank you for joining me. Caminar, yeah, see? This is a man on the beach. Keep going. In San Pancho. And this man, he sells one of these 350 pesos. So there's about $6 for 100 pesos, Americanos. And he sells them for 18, that'd be about $21. And he makes about 100 peso for himself to take home. He sells about maybe 10 or 12 a day, a good day, but it's very, very hard work. And he's in the hot sun all day long selling. So, you know, people, when you come to these beaches and these people come by you, they're not marginal. They are people that are sweating to earn money. So please respect them. If you don't want to buy anything, please be respectful and say buenos días or buenas tardes for the afternoon. And just say bien dia, means have a good day. Please do that for these guys. They work so hard. Muchas gracias.